Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is going to be day 28 of our Bitsgap follow along, so we're going to jump right in here. All right, so today we are at 39.62 for overall bot profit for a total of 29.98%. So we are just creeping up almost to that 30% profit mark. And yesterday at this time we were at 39.20 for a total of 29.80% profit. And so we have a total of $44 that we have made in net profit over the last 24 hours. Not too bad considering. Bitcoin is looking healthy. It's looking like it's wanting to jump back up a bit. We hit 49, I think, twice today before it coming back down. And it's just kind of hanging out at that 48 range. So we're getting there. We are getting close. Let's look at our bot profits totals here. We've got Jasmine, which is still in range. Let's see how close that is out of range. Still got a ways to run up. But let me look at this chart. So if this is your first time here, this is kind of a fun way to look on our journey here. So for 2 months and 3 days, we've been running Jasmine. We're almost at 78%. I'm sorry, we are at 78% profit for a total of 1.22% a day average. And you can see here how we've traded it. Right now it's out of range. So out of range, if you're a first timer here, out of range with Bitsgap means that it fell below these grid lines, and so it won't start trading until it comes back up into these lines. So we're going to wait it out and see what happens. I mean, with the market, this kind of happened as the market slowly degraded, and this is in a healthy correction anyway. I mean, after a run up like this and then like this, look at this candle here. This is when Binance listed it, so it's super funny to me to be able to look at this chart. This is a great one to talk about. So Jasmine got listed on Coinbase and went all the way up to $4.99 at a high, and then just crashed all the way back down to, actually it was lower than, so it came down to here, around here in the 5-cent mark. We jumped in at about 7 or 8 cents, and we rode it all the way up. We rode it all the way up here to the top at 34 cents, and then we used trailing down, and we came down, back up, and then all the way back down here, all the way to here at 12 cents. Binance lists it, and we get another pump up here. And then we've slowly trailed down, correcting and waiting for that next run up. But overall, we've had 78% profit with Jasmine, which is a really good overall profit. Very happy with that. Elon is a KuCoin pair that's been running for 1 month and 26 days. And it's actually giving us a little bit better average daily than Jasmine, which is at 1.37% total, and for a total of 78.23. Next, we've got Shiba. Shiba's at 38% total, just about 0.059% a day for 2 months and 3 days. NTVRK, 26% over 28 days. Avalanche is out of range. 1% a day is what it's averaged. 28%, not bad in 28 days. So 1% a day. Our goal that we've set is, if you remember, is 2%. We want to get 2% a day out of these bots. So we've, we missed the mark on a bunch of these, but at the same time, this also, you have to take into effect that Bitcoin came down, hit a low of 42,000, and it's slowly been trying to work its way back up into a run that we're expecting here at the start of next year. So overall, these profits are still very, very good. 69% on XYO after 1 month and 22 days. We've got AVAX BTC. This is at 32%, but this is a Bitcoin pair, so you got to figure this is stacking BTC, and so when Bitcoin runs up, that's going to be exponentially worth more. We've got Bond, Shiba on KuCoin. Our two Gate.io pairs, we've got Floki, which is at 22% profit overall, just under 1%, not bad, in 1 month and 5 days. Then we've got Yushi, which is a gaming token on the Binance Smart Chain. That is at just 0.58, so just at 0.5% a day for 1 month and 4 days. But we're up 20% overall, not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, let's talk about the contest. So the contest, we did not make it. The total prize pool is at 43,570. Yesterday it was at 43,290. The contest is now over. It looks like we locked in number 288 out of 3,357. So overall, we didn't win anything, and I don't know what's going on with these. I don't know if the scalper bots are going to go away. I don't know if they're going to restart this contest, which if they do, I don't know that I will participate. I don't think that this was a very good use of my capital overall, but I don't know. We'll see. And I'd love to hear other feedback. I'd love to hear from other people what they think, or what pairs would really, really do well with this. It just could have been timing. I'm not sure. But overall, I mean, to leave this running for about a month and end up at 288 would have been nice to claim some of this prize pool. But I mean, so just to give you guys an example, let's look at our CRO scalper. This is just insane. So let's look at this chart. I've shown it here in the past. We ran this for 28 days, and it's done 52,251 trades. I mean, talk about high-frequency trading. This is it. I mean, this is a model picture of it. We still did end up at 6% profit, which is like $92. So not terrible. But I just don't, I don't know. We could have done much better in other places. So we'll see what happens. Let's give them 24 hours to figure out what's going on with this. I did ask, what was going on with this contest, so we could just get it out of the way. I don't want to end any of these bots yet until everything is official and we know what's going on with the end of this contest. So that way we can reallocate these funds. So that we'll do that. If not tomorrow, over the weekend, I am in the military and I'll be away for the weekend, so I might pop on if I can. I've done 28 days of videos and I don't want to stop, so I might just do a quick review on mobile. It probably won't be as structured, but I will still give you guys an update just to keep things going here. And that's just over 2 days, so if not, everything will resume back to normal on Monday. But that's about it. I mean, not too bad. $44 is not bad. I think Bitcoin is looking a little bit healthier, and I'm excited to just get this show on the road at the year end here and see what happens. But any feedback, please leave that below in the comments. If this is your first time here, again, please hit that subscribe button. If this is not your first time here, like I always say, thank you for every minute that you guys watch and every question that you guys send me, whether it be over social media channels, whether it be on email, whatever it is, even in the comments below. Just any questions, any engagement, I really appreciate it all. I appreciate your support, and I'm in this for the long haul. I'm glad that I just finally started it and did it, and we're going to keep growing this channel, and we're going to keep growing information, and we're going to grow together. So thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.